Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how can you chat on a Google. So actually chatting on a Google, it's quite simple. You need to install the application called Google Chat. So you just need to visit the app library and or app store if you never install the Google Chat ever on your phone. But then if you already install it, go into this search section and type chat. And here is the symbol of the Google Chat application, and then you just need to click it to open it. And for the next thing you need to do is just go find out the friends that you want to chat with Google. And after that, if you want to create a new one, you just need to go click this button with the pulse plus here. And after that, you just need to choose whom you want to chat. For example, like this one. And after that, you just need to type the chat that you want to say into your friends and go click this part to set it. And you just need to wait until your friend is responding your chat from this Google Chat application. So that is the way you chat with Google. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.